everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now, as you guys can tell by this title, we are going to be asking the question, is the lip gloss hype dying down? Now, I have been getting a few DMs here and there about, you know, people starting their business, asking advice on starting their business and stuff, and basically a few of is it still okay if I still, you know, start a lip gloss business? Because as we all know, it became a very saturated market very quickly. When I tell you guys, so many people are selling lip gloss and stuff, it's ridiculous. So I don't know, so a lot of people, of course, if there's, you know, about to get into the market, they should know, you know, would it still be good if I, you know, come in selling lip gloss if everybody else is doing it? Now, honestly, it being saturated has nothing to do with it, because we all know almost everything in the beauty industry, because I still consider it as in the beauty industry for lip gloss and stuff. I'm sorry about my AC, I know it's loud, but everything in the beauty industry honestly is saturated. I sell hair and I make wigs, and when I tell you, so much people sell hair and make wigs or sell lashes and stuff, like everything is literally saturated. So that wouldn't even be an issue of a reason why the hype is dying down, because honestly it could go both ways. It could be a yes and a no. Now, I say yes, in a sense it is kind of dying down, because no one is being original. When I tell you guys, and I say this not to say like everyone is copying each other, but majority of the things that they're selling, or majority of the things that they're doing, honestly, is literally the same thing. People are selling the same exact thing. No one is changing it up. You know, I'm not gonna say no one, but a few people here and there is like, you know, switching it up and giving you guys different things, but majority of them honestly are literally selling the exact same thing. So that kind of, in a sense, is where it's like, okay, everybody's selling the same thing, the hype is gone and stuff. But I would say, if it would be okay if you come in and, you know, you just came out with a new design or a new product that helps the lip gloss industry. Because I did have if I do have, remember to put in their information or their DMs, but she basically DM'd me about this product that literally will help, you know, the lip gloss filling process and stuff, and it was really smart, and I hope hers take off. But things like that, like you guys coming up with different ideas or different designs, that will get people, like, you know, excited about the lip gloss thing again. Because honestly, like I said, everybody is selling the exact same thing. Now, if you are like about to start the lip gloss like this far down the road, of course you can do it. Like, don't think about it being saturated. Like I said again, you can go in Walmart and see all the breads on the aisle. When I tell you guys, there's so many different types of bread, quality of bread, it's ridiculous. So it comes to the same as, you know, the lip gloss or the hair or the lashes thing as being saturated. That shouldn't have nothing to do with it. What makes you stand out? That should be your question. Like, don't just start doing the lip gloss thing because you see someone that you like selling it, or you see someone that's doing it and they're doing pretty good, because that person is not you. And you don't know what that person had to do to get to having 100, 1,000 sales a day. So you can't compare their journey to yours. So don't go off that if you are planning on, you know, starting to sell lip gloss. Because honestly, you starting off, you automatically will lose interest really quick. So don't base that off that. And also, you would realize that since, you know, the lip gloss thing is saturated and a lot of people are already out there, you know, already started selling lip gloss, many of the customers and stuff, depending on where you live, they already found that person that, you know, they mess with and they really mess with for the lip gloss, for their product, for their wholesale and stuff like that. They already have that main person. So you coming out and doing the exact same thing, like, don't get me wrong, you probably have people that still, you know, follow you and stuff, because honestly 90% of the time, or 99% of the time, the people aren't even really buying the product for the product. They're buying the product from the person. It's the person, like, because they like the person, or they want to support the person. But like, you would sit there and actually really just think about it, because honestly a lot of these celebrities or these influencers that, you know, start their own business or start like selling any type of product, like hair, lashes, or providing any type of service, you would realize that most of the way that they set up their stuff isn't even all that good. Their product isn't even all that good. But listen, people still buy the thing from them because people genuinely like the person. So they're buying the product, they're buying the product from the person because they really like that person. I hope that makes sense, because it kind of goes all over the place, but I hope you understood that. But literally, people buy things because they literally like that person. So if you do plan on selling the lip gloss, make sure you have, like, now I'm not gonna say make sure you have a good following, because honestly you could have no following and you still do amazingly well selling lip gloss and stuff like that. So it's kind of like a iffy type of thing. But make sure that you come with something that's original and not something that everybody else is already selling in a saturated market, if that makes sense. But overall, that's really it. I know it wasn't even like a direct answer, but these are the things that you kind of got to keep in, how can I say this, you got to keep in mind when you're, you know, going into selling, you know, lip gloss or anything in general that is saturated. You got to keep these things in mind, because at the end, you don't want to go into something that you're not going to make any money from. And honestly, you're starting the business to make money from it. So if you already know beforehand that you're not going to make money from it, unless you really like doing that thing or that selling that product, I really wouldn't suggest you go into it. But like I said, make sure whatever you do is original, and yeah, just make sure that it's original and not copied from someone else. But let me know in the comments down below of like, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the lip gloss thing is dying down? Because it's like I said, it's kind of like a yes and a no thing for me, because it could honestly go both ways. But let me know in the comments down below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.